Good morning students. Today class I start exercise number 10.1 the new chapter 10 ordinary differential equation. What is the chapter? Ordinary differential equation. This is the chapter 10 for you. Now listen, this is the simple derivatives for the first exercise. Chapter 10 ordinary differential equation exercise number 10.1. See, for this that one very simple one. For each of the following equation determine its degree, order and degree if it exists. For each of the following equation determine its order as well as its degree. Now listen. So what is the first part, first subdivision? Dy by dx plus xy equal to cot x. What is the order? What is the degree? Dy by dx, that is order is 1 as well as the degree also 1. Dy by dx whole power 1, degree also 1. Similarly, see the second one, d cube by dx cube whole power 2 by 3 minus 3 into d square by dx square plus 5 into dy by dx plus 4 equal to 0. What is the solution? Keep it in the left hand side for this one. So equal to, because this is the power is not in the not in the numerical form. This is in the fractional form. So whole, that in the whole number. So we converted into whole number. So d cube y by dx cube whole power 2 by 3 equal to 3 into d square y by dx square minus dy by dx minus 4. We make as the degree, the order is in the form of what? Numerical value, that is the whole number. Raise the power 3 on both sides. So if you raise the power 3 on both sides, means 2 by 3 the whole cube, 3 cancelled, we get what? 2. Here, what is the order? This is the order. What is the order? D square, first derivative or second derivative, third derivative. This is our third derivative. The derivative say the order. The whole term is what? Degree. So d cube y by dx cube. The order is what? 3. Order is 3. What is the next one? Order is 3. Degree is nothing but what? 2. Order is 3. Degree is 2. Next one, simple calculation, simple understanding part only for this exercise. This is what? D square by dx square the whole square plus dy by dx the whole square equal to x sine of d square by dx square. So what is our order? Order is nothing but what? Second derivative. Order is second derivative. Degree is undefined because this is what function? Sine, cos and trigonometry. If having the trigonometry function means we are unable to say the degree. D square by dx square, that order is 2 and the degree is what? Undefined or does not exist. What is the fourth subdivision? Root of dy by dx minus 4 into dy by dx minus 7x is equal to 0. So root of dy by dx, this is what? Whole power 1 by 2, because this is not in the what? The whole number, so make us the whole number. This is dy by dx root means what? Whole power 1 by 2. So 4 into dy by dx plus 7x. So the squaring on both sides. If you squaring on both sides, that what cancelled? Which one is cancelled? The root will be cancelled. The equation become 4 into dy by dx. The left hand side the whole square. So dy by dx whole power 1. Here see, what is this one? 4 squares are 16. 4 square is nothing but what? 16. D square. We have to separately squaring on both sides. This is what? Not a plus b whole square formula. 4 square is 16, dy by dx whole square, 7 7s are 9, 49 x square. What is our degree? Degree is nothing but what? So what is the order? The whole power. The term in the whole power is what? Order. The differentiation part is what? What? Degree. First derivative or second derivative. This is dy by dx is nothing but what? First derivative. So dy by dx is the order. Order is nothing but what? 1. What is the degree? Degree is what? 2. Degree is 2. Order is what? 1. First derivative. Therefore, order is 1. Degree is what? 2. Fifth subdivision, y into dy by dx is equal to x by dy by dx plus dy by dx the whole cube. So cross multiplication. So y into dy by dx equal to, this is cross multiplication equal to x. So what happened? Multiplied with dy by dx for the bracket. Dy by dx the whole cube plus y into dy by dx whole power 4 equal to x. What is our order? This is the first derivative. Order is 1. Whole power is what? Order of the power is what? 4. That is degree is 4. So order of the power is what? Degree. So first derivative, whether it is first derivative or second derivative. Dy by dx is nothing but what derivative? First derivative. Therefore, order is 1. Order of the power is what? What is the order of the power? Highest power is what? 4. So therefore, degree is 4. See next one, sixth subdivision. X square, d square by dx square plus 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 1 by 2 equal to 0. So keep it at x square, d square by dx square equal to plus become minus of the term. So squaring on both sides. If you squaring on both sides, what happened? X power 4, this is the whole square. So squaring means the minus become plus automatically. So 1 plus dy by dx the whole square, whole power 1 by 2. This is again whole square it. 2 cancelled it to become what? 1 plus dy by dx the whole square. What is the order? Order is what? 2. What is the, this is what derivative? Second order derivative. Second order derivative power is what? 2. Therefore order is what? Second order derivative. Second order is 2. Degree is what? What is the degree? Degree also 2. Order also 2. Degree also 2. Order also 2. Degree also 2. The whole power term is nothing but what? Degree. What is the second order derivative? This is what? First dy by dx first order derivative. That is the order. Here what? D square y by dx square, nothing but what? Second order derivative. That is order is 2. Power is degree is what? 2. Order is 2. Degree also 2. See the seventh subdivision. D square y by dx square whole cube equal to 1 plus dy by dx. Again we want to remove the square root. Squaring on both sides. If you squaring on both sides means this is what? D square by dx square. The whole square is what? 3 to 6. Here part 1 plus dy by dx. This is a square root means nothing but whole power 1 by 2. If you squaring means 2 to cancel. Let's see here, very simple only. What is this? Is what order? Second order derivative. Second order derivative. Order is what? 2. What is the degree? Degree is that power. Order of the power is nothing but what? Degree. What is second order derivative? Second derivative power is nothing but what? 6. Therefore order is 2. Keep it in mind. Second order derivative. Therefore order is 2. That order of the power is what? 6. That is degree is 6. Next. D square y by dx square equal to xy plus a cos of dy by dx. Order. What is the order? This is second order derivative. Second order derivative. Which one is does not exist? Degrees does not defined because what function? This is a sine cos function. One means degrees does not exist. See the ninth one. So d square y by dx square plus 5 into dy by dx plus integral of y into dx is equal to x cube. Differentiate on both sides. If you d by dx of, if you give the differentiation d by dx, see that one. Differentiate on both sides. If you integration, we want to remove the integration. If you integrate antiderivative, the differentiation nothing but antiderivative of the antiderivative of the integration. So differentiate on both sides. D by dx of the first term plus 5 into d by dx of the second term plus d by dx of the integrating term. Here what? D by dx of x cube. If you integrate, it will become the integration is differentiate. If you remove the what? Antiderivative for the integration. The what happened? This is what? D square d cube y by dx cube. Now d cube y by dx cube whole power on plus 5 into d square y by dx square plus y equal to, if we integrate it will become what? 3x cube is integrated. Integration cancel, we get the differentiation 3x square. What is the order? What is the what derivative? Third order derivative. What is this? Is third order derivative. Therefore order is 3. What is the power of the order is 1. Therefore degree is 1. Order of the power is nothing but what? Degree. This is the third order derivative. Order is 3. Degree is 1. See the 10th one. Is equal to e power xy dy by dx. Taking log on both sides. Because this is what form? Exponential form. Log m power n is n into log m. So listen here. But now log x is equal to log of e power xy dy by dx. So log of e power x is nothing but what? X. Log of exponential power is what? What is the power form? Is the keep it as it is here. Write it. Log of e power x is nothing but what? X. So log x is equal to log of e power xy into dy by dx. So this is what come to the product. The power log m power m means n into log. Similarly, this power is come to the product xy into dy by dx log e. Log x equal to xy dy by dx. Log e is the log e. Log e is nothing but what? 1. See x into log e is 1. Log e value is nothing but what? 1. Now log x equal to xy dy by dx is equal to into 1. Log x is equal to xy dy by dx. What is that one? This is the what is the derivative? First order dy by dx is nothing but what? First order derivative. Order is 1. Degree is not defined. Suppose whether it is a trigonometry for sine cos as well as a logarithmic function, degrees cannot be defined. Very simple basic result for this exercise. Now listen for exercise number 10.2, formation of differential equation. How to frame the differential equation. Express each of the following physical statement in the form of a differential equation. They are given in the expressed in the what value? The physical statement we are writing in the what? Differential form. Radium decays at a rate proportional to the amount Q present. Radium decays depends upon the what? Proportional to depends on amount Q present. How much amount Q present depends upon the amount of Q present is radium will be decayed. This is how will you write in the physical state. The physical statement rewrite in the what? Differential equation. dq by dt with respect to time. dq by dt is directly proportional to Q. Depends upon CQ, radium will be decay. So d proportional direct dq by dt is directly proportional to Q, or dq by dt equal to K into Q. Second one, dp by dt is directly proportional to P into 50,000 minus P. That is dp by dt equal to Kp equal to 50,000 minus P. See, go through these are in the questions are go through for your book itself. Just I write the physical, given the physical statement, write in the what? Differential form. So go through the question in the book itself. Now dp by dt is directly proportional to P, and dp by dt directly proportional to 1 by T square. P is pressure, T is the temperature. Read the question yourself, after go through the differential equation. Now dp by dt is directly proportional to P by T square. P by T square. Now dp by dt equal to, if constant means multiplied with some K. Proportional means multiplied with some constant K. Now dp by dt equal to K into P by T square. Students, you go through the question from the book itself for exercise number 10.2. These are very simple. Say x be the amount, dx by dt equal to PNR by 100 plus 400. So now x into PNR by 100, this is simple interest formula, plus 400. X into 1 year, 1 into what? 8 rate of interest by 100 plus 400. After simplification we get what? 2x by 25 plus 400. Say, so go through the book, because these are very simple sums. We are want to finish the portion. So go through the book and see the video. Second sum, what is the solution? Let R be the radius. S is what is S? Area of the sphere, 4 pi r square. Volume of the sphere we know 4 by 3 pi r cube. We write in the physical statement, write in the differential equation form. Rate of change of volume. Rate of change of volume is directly proportional to the surface area. Rate of change means is differentiate. dV by dt is directly proportional to S surface area. dV by dt directly proportional to surface area. What is our volume? Volume equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. If you differentiate, dV by dt equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3 pi r square into dr by dt. Directly proportional to what is S? S is nothing but what? Surface area 4 pi r square. Now 4 pi r 3 cancelled. Here what? Dr by decreasing the radius of the surface, and the decreases means it is reduced. We put minus symbol. So minus 4 pi r square dr by dt equal to K into 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square cancelled. We get what? Dr by dt equal to minus K, because it decreased. Now for exercise number 10.3, these are only understanding purpose. We are teaching the sum. See, these are very simple understanding purpose. This is exercise number 10.3, differential equation in the form of the practical geometrical problem. Differential equation in the formation of the geometrical problems. Now listen, find the differential equation of the family. Find the differential equation of the family of all non-vertical lines. All non-vertical lines in a plane. What is the equation of the plane is what? What is the equation of the plane? Sorry, plane, not line, plane, line. Equation of the line is what? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Equation of the line is what? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If b is equal to 0 means what is the vertical line? Then it is a vertical line. If you take the non-vertical, all non-vertical lines in a plane, we frame the differential equation. What we are going to frame? All non-vertical lines in a plane we are going to differentiate. Let the equation of the line is what? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the equation on. If b equal to 0 means then it is a vertical line. If b equal to 0 means it is what? Suppose b equal to 0 means it lies in the vertical line. If b not equal to 0, then it is what? Non-vertical line. So differentiate one. Going to differentiate ax is different to become 1. A plus b into y is differentiate dy by dx. The constant becomes 0. A plus b into dy by dx is equal to 0. Where a and b are what? Arbitrary constant. Again differentiate with respect to x. If a is differentiated, it becomes 0. B into second d square y by dx square equal to 0. That is d square by dx square equal to 0 is the family of. This is the differential equation of family of all non-vertical lines in a plane. Second one is what? All the non-horizontal. First one is we find the non-vertical lines. Here what? Non-horizontal lines. all the non-horizontal lines in a plane. Equation of the line is what? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If a equal to 0, first one is we take b equal to 0. Here suppose if a equal to 0 means then it is a horizontal line. If a not equal to 0 means then it is a non-horizontal lines. See, differentiate with respect to y. First equation differentiate with respect to x. Here you differentiate with respect to y. If you differentiate with respect to y means what? A into dx by dy plus y is differentiated to become what? 1. A into dx by dy plus b equal to 0 because this is the constant. Now a and b are arbitrary constant. Again differentiate with respect to y. A into d square y by dx square. A into d square y by dx dy square. D square x by dy square plus b becomes 0. So a into d square x by dy square equal to 0. This implies what? D square x by dy square equal to 0 is the family of the non-horizontal lines. Family of the non-horizontal lines. You go through the book. See what is the question, you go through the book. What is that one? Equation of the straight line ax plus by equal to 0. Length of the perpendicular from the origin. We draw the length of the perpendicular. See that this is the xy plane. We draw a circle. So from the origin to circumference is nothing but radius. Here what you draw the line. The line is what? Ax. Draw the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the line. This is a touching line. Perpendicular. Length of the perpendicular from the origin to the line A. This is the length of the perpendicular. Draw the length of the perpendicular from the origin to the line. Line A, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the equation 1. Now ax plus by plus c by root of a square plus b square equal to r. That is nothing but what? This is the analytical formula. The radius of the length of the perpendicular from the origin to the line is what is the formula? For 6th chapter we studied ax plus b plus c by root of a square plus b square equal to r. Now substitute because x and y passing through what? Origin. The point is what? Origin. Instead of x and y you substitute 0. A into 0 plus b into 0 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square equal to r. That is nothing but what? C by root of a square plus b square equal to r. Substitute c equal to r into root of a square plus b square in equation 1. You substitute instead of c, you substitute the c value. Now ax plus by plus instead of c you substitute r into root of a square plus b square equal to 0. This is equation 2. Now we are going to differentiate with respect to x. What is that x? A in a plus b into dy by dx. This is the constant, it becomes 0. We differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x means x become 1. A plus b into dy by dx. This is the constant, becomes 0. B into dy by dx is equal to plus a become what? A minus a. Now dy by dx is equal to minus a by b. This is the equation 3. Now next substitute divide this others in 2 substitute the 2 in 3. What is that one? Dy by instead of dy by dx you substitute what? Minus a by b. Divide by b for the equation 2. What is the equation 2? This equation 2 is divided by b. That is a by b into x, b by b into y plus r into root of a square plus b square by b. See that one? Divide b in equation 2. See the equation 2 divide by b. A by b into x plus b by b into y plus r by b into root of a square plus b square equal to 0. A by b into x, b cancelled, y plus r into if it go inside means this is what? B square. That is what? Root of a square plus b square by b square equal to 0. This is a by b into x plus y plus r into a square by b square cancelled, it will become what? 1. So a by b into x plus y plus r into root of a square plus by b square plus 1 equal to 0. This is equation 4. Substitute the third equation in 4. So minus dy by dx plus y into r of root of 1 plus dy by dx the whole square equal to 0. Now keep it r. This term in say in the right hand side. R into root of 1 plus dy by dx is equal to minus become what? Plus x into dy by dx plus y become minus y. Squaring on both sides. What do you get? R square if you root cancelled. 1 r square into 1 plus dy by dx the whole square equal to x into dy by dx minus y the whole square. Squaring, this is the equation of the what? What is the question? This is the equation of the circle. Next, what is the third sum? Family. That is the solution. Go through the question in book. Diagram I will draw it. See that one. What is the solution? Equation of the family of circle passing through the origin and the center is what? A comma 0. Center point is what? A comma 0. Passing through the origin. See the diagram. The circle with the center is what? A comma 0. Passing through the what? Origin. So what is the formula? Equation of circle passing through the origin. The center is A comma 0 means x minus a the whole square plus y minus x minus x1 plus y minus y1 equal to what? Distance formula. X minus a the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square equal to r square. X square plus y square equal to a square. This is the equation of the circle. So if the circle passing through the point a comma 0 means x minus a the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square equal to a square. This is nothing but what? Equation 1. Differentiate with respect to x. This x square differentiate to become what? 2x. 2 into x minus a plus 2y into dy by dx. X square, y square is differentiate. Y square become what? 2y into dy by dx. A square become 0. A is the what? Nothing but arbitrary constant. 2 into x minus a equal to plus 2y become what? Minus 2y dy by dx. Now 2 cancelled. Now what is our a? In the see that minus a goes to right hand side, all the things are from left hand side. X minus y become plus y into dy by dx equal to a equal to, see that one, see here, a equal to x plus y into dy by dx. Substitute in equation 1. What is the first equation? X minus a. What is instead of a value, you substitute a equal to x plus dy by dx. Substitute in 1. What to substitute? X minus, instead of a substitute what? X plus become what? Minus dy by dx the whole square plus y square equal to, instead of a, wherever a place substitute here, x plus y into dy by dx. Now plus x minus x will be cancelled. Plus x minus x will be cancelled. If square become it over y square into dy by dx whole square plus y square. Here what? Apply the a plus b whole square formula. X square plus 2ab 2xy dy by dx plus y square dy by dx. Here right hand side will be cancelled. Plus become minus, it will be automatically cancelled. Now x square plus 2xy dy by dx plus y square become what? Minus y square equal to 0. This is nothing but what? Differential equation of the family of circle x square plus 2xy into dy by dx minus y square equal to 0. This is the differential equation of family of circle. Students, go through the question from the book. Listen the video, afterwards take down for your classwork notebook for the given notes. Thank you, students.